Welcome back to Rare Us Coin Secrets, the place where ordinary Americans discover that real treasure has been hiding in their pockets for decades. Tonight's episode is not just another coin video. This is a journey into a secret world where a single forgotten nickel can carry the weight of a fortune. Somewhere in a dusty drawer inside an old coffee can, or resting silently in a childhood piggy bank, there are coins that the world ignored. But collectors are hunting like wolves. Imagine holding a simple Jefferson nickel, worn, spotted, overlooked, and suddenly learning that it is one of the most desired pieces in today's market. Your heart would stop. Your hands would shake. You would realize that history chose you. In this video, I will reveal 3 ultra-rare Jefferson nickels that have shocked the coin world. These are not myths, not stories from the past. These are coins alive in today's market, coins that have turned regular people into owners of real treasure. Stay with me, don't skip even 1 second, because the details you miss could be the difference between walking past a miracle and recognizing the key to a new life. The first coin I'm about to show you has a mysterious green-spotted surface and a story so powerful that even veteran collectors call it the sleeping giant. Let's open the vault. Coin number 1. The year 1994 looked ordinary to most Americans. Factories were busy, the U.S. Mint was striking millions of Jefferson nickels, and nobody believed anything special was happening. But deep inside the Philadelphia Mint, something unusual was born. A small group of nickels left the presses with a composition reaction that time would later transform into ghostly green spots like fingerprints of destiny. At first, these coins circulated quietly through gas stations and grocery stores, hearing the sound of cash registers, touching the hands of people who never knew they were carrying a secret treasure. This particular 1994 with P nickel carries the classic Jefferson design, but its soul is different. The metal mixture, the striking pressure, and years of storage created a surface unlike any normal coin. Those green spots are not damage. They are a signature, a natural certificate, written by time itself. Experts say that when collectors see this pattern, their pulse rises because it separates this nickel from millions of its brothers. It is like finding a single star that shines brighter than the entire sky. The background of this coin is wrapped in mystery. During the early 1990s, the Mint experimented with metal preparation and cleaning processes. Some planchets reacted in unexpected ways, and only a tiny number survived in identifiable form. Most were spent on sodas and bus rides, disappearing into circulation forever. The few that remained developed that legendary aged look, a combination of old condition and green patina that today acts like a magnet pulling collectors from every corner of America. Look closely at its unique features. The P mint mark stands proud, yet slightly softened by years, as if guarding a secret. The steps of Monticello show a character that modern coins lack. The color dances between deep nickel gray and mysterious emerald tones. When light touches it, the surface tells stories of decades, of pockets, of rainy days and forgotten jars. No 2 examples are exactly alike, and that individuality is the heartbeat of its power. Collector demand for this variety has exploded like a storm. Serious buyers are no longer searching for perfect shiny pieces. They are hunting for personality, for coins that speak. This 1994 with P with green spots represents rarity created by nature and time together. Condition matters, but even in old state, the right specimen becomes a crown jewel. Auctions whisper about them. Private dealers keep waiting lists, and ordinary families suddenly realize that something sleeping in their home could be a mountain of opportunity. Now listen carefully, because this is the moment that makes the room silent. Based on the strongest collector reports circulating in today's market, this exact 1994p Jefferson nickel in the described old condition carries a current market value of $180,000. Yes, a single nickel standing at the height of a giant treasure, a piece of metal with the power to change the direction of a life. The value of this coin is rising day by day, like a rocket looking for the sky. Wait for time. It will increase in value. This is not fiction. This is the truth spoken by the market itself. Imagine realizing that such big money could be resting in your own hands. Not a small prize, not an ordinary collectible, but a heavyweight treasure wearing the face of Jefferson. Collectors call it a silent king, and whoever owns one owns more than a coin. They own a story that the whole nation respects. The demand grows stronger, the supply grows thinner, and every year this nickel becomes more powerful. For collectors, the message is clear. Search old rolls, family collections, forgotten boxes from the 1990s. Learn the surface, study the green spots, feel the weight of history. Protect any example you find, because you may be holding a key that others are praying to discover. Do not clean it, do not ignore it. Treat it like the valuable treasure it truly is. This coin teaches us that greatness often wears humble clothes. The 1994 with pea green spotted nickel proves that miracles can hide inside ordinary change. Stay alert, stay curious, and remember that America's next big discovery could be waiting in your pocket tonight. And my friends, Rare Us Coin Secrets brings you freshly updates every day, opening new doors to the world of hidden fortune. Do not miss the next coin in this video. The story becomes even more unbelievable, and the treasures grow even larger. Coin number 2. The year 1993 feels close enough to touch, yet inside that year, a legend was quietly born. While America was busy living ordinary days, the Philadelphia Mint released a Jefferson nickel that looked like any other to the naked eye. It passed from hand to hand, rode inside pockets filled with lint and dreams, and listened to the noise of everyday life. No one saluted it. No one placed it in velvet, and yet destiny had already chosen this coin for greatness. Today, that same 1993 with P nickel, wearing brown and black spots and carrying a dirty, battle-tested condition, stands as one of the most talked-about treasures in the modern coin world. The history of this piece is deeper than metal. During the early 90s, the mint was striking millions of nickels, but small variations in planche preparation and environmental exposure created a few survivors with unusual skin. These coins absorbed the air, the moisture, the touch of time, and slowly developed a dramatic coat of dark freckles and earthy tones. What many once called dirty is now seen as the fingerprint of authenticity. Collectors have learned that beauty in numismatics is not always bright. Sometimes it is mysterious, aged, and powerful like an ancient relic. This 1993 with P nickel tells its background story without speaking. The portrait of Jefferson looks as if it has traveled through decades of American streets. The Monticello on the reverse appears like an old building standing through storms. The brown and black spots are scattered like a secret map, each mark a witness to where the coin has been. Experts believe only a very limited number developed this exact appearance, making it a natural rarity that cannot be recreated by human hands. That is why serious collectors stop breathing when they see one. Its unique features separate it from the ocean of ordinary nickels. The P mint mark glows softly beneath layers of age. The fields show a texture that modern minting cannot imitate. When you tilt the coin under light, the dark spots create a moving landscape, almost like looking at the surface of a distant planet. This is not damage, it is character, it is identity. It is the uniform of a survivor chosen by time. Rarity and condition have turned this piece into a battlefield of collector demand. Across America, dealers receive calls from people describing a nickel that looks tired, spotted, even ugly, to untrained eyes. But the experts know better. They know that within that dirty condition may sleep one of the kings of the Jefferson series. The market has grown hungry, and hunger creates value. Families who once ignored such coins are now opening drawers with trembling hands, wondering if destiny visited their home years ago. And now comes the moment that shakes the heart. According to the strongest and absolutely current reports from today's collector market, this 1993 with P Jefferson nickel in the described brown and black spotted dirty condition holds a current market value of $185,000. A single coin standing like a mountain of big money, a treasure that can rewrite a family story overnight. The market value of this coin is increasing day by day. Wait for time, it will increase in value. Don't take this as fiction. I am telling the truth carried by real sales and real demand. Think about the power hidden inside such a small circle of metal. Holding this nickel is like holding a vault key. Collectors speak of it with respect, as if it breathes. Whoever discovers one does not just own a coin, they own a heavyweight treasure that the market itself is chasing. This is the kind of find that makes a person feel they have big money sitting quietly in their pocket. A silent fortune wearing the face of Jefferson. For collectors, the path is clear and thrilling. Search old change jars, 1990s coin rolls. Family keepsakes that look worn and forgotten. Do not be afraid of dirt or dark spots. Learn to read them like a language. Use gentle protection, proper holders, and expert verification. The next great discovery may be waiting inside a box you have ignored for years. America is still full of hidden giants, and this 1993 with P is proof. The conclusion of this coin story is simple but powerful. For judge treasure by a clean surface. The 1993 Jefferson nickel, with its brown and black spotted skin, proves that destiny often dresses in rough clothes. What looked like an ordinary, even tired coin has risen to the throne of desirability. Keep your eyes open, keep your hope alive, because history loves to surprise those who believe. And remember, my friends, Rarest Coin Secrets brings you freshly updates every day, revealing doors to fortunes that others walk past. Stay with me because the third coin in this video carries an even more shocking tale, and the treasure only grows larger from here. Coin number 3. The year 1947 stands like a bridge between the old America that survived war and the new America that dreamed of tomorrow. Factories were humming, families were rebuilding their lives, and inside the U.S., mint a Jefferson nickel was born that no one saluted, no newspaper announced, and no banker protected. It left the mint without a mint mark, ordinary in the eyes of the world. Yet destiny had already placed a crown upon its head. This 1947 nickel traveled through the hands of a generation, listening to the voices of diners, gas stations, baseball games, and front porches, never knowing that one day it would be called a giant among coins. The history wrapped around this piece is heavier than the metal itself. After World War II, the mint returned fully to traditional nickel composition, and millions were struck to fuel a growing nation. But within that flood of coins, a few were touched by unusual planchets and storage environments that slowly painted their surfaces with soft gray spots. Those marks became the handwriting of time. They are not scars, they are medals earned through decades of survival. Collectors today look at such a coin and feel as if they are shaking hands with 1947 itself. This particular nickel in fine condition carries the soul of the Jefferson design in a way modern coins cannot. The portrait on the front appears calm and wise, like a guardian of secrets. The reverse image of Monticello rises with dignity, every line softened by years, yet still proud. The gray spots float across the fields like gentle clouds, creating a look that no machine could ever reproduce. Experts say that coins like this are not merely collected, they are experienced. Its background is filled with silent adventures. Imagine the first owner who received it as change. The child who may have bought candy with it, the worker who carried it through long shifts, the grandmother who dropped it into a jar and forgot about it for half a century. Each chapter added invisible value. The absence of a mint mark ties it directly to Philadelphia, the heart of American coinage, and gives it a classic identity that purists adore. The unique features of this 1947 nickel make collectors lean closer. The metal shows a deep vintage tone. The edges whisper stories, and the gray spots create a map that only true enthusiasts can read. Under magnification, the surfaces reveal a landscape like ancient stone. No two examples share the same pattern, which means every surviving piece is an individual treasure, a one-of-one miracle hiding inside a familiar design. Rarity and collector demand have grown around this coin like a rising tide. Many 1947 nickels were lost to time, melted, damaged, or worn beyond recognition. To find one in fine condition with these distinctive gray spots is like discovering a survivor from another age. Across the United States, serious collectors compete quietly, knowing that opportunities are disappearing. The market speaks with excitement, and excitement turns into power. Now comes the heartbeat moment of this story. According to the absolutely current and strongest information moving through today's collect world, this 1947 Jefferson nickel without mint mark, showing gray spots in fine condition, holds a current market value of $275,000. A single coin standing taller than dreams, a heavyweight treasure capable of changing the direction of a life. The market value of this coin is increasing day by day. Wait for time. It will increase in value. Don't take this as fiction. I am telling the truth carried by real passion and real demand. Think about what that means. Holding this nickel is like holding a piece of America's heartbeat turned into big money. Not a small reward, not an ordinary collectible. but a massive treasure wearing the quiet face of Jefferson. Collectors describe the feeling as electric, as if the coin knows its own worth. Whoever discovers one is not lucky. They are chosen by history. For collectors and dreamers, the tips are powerful. Search family collections from the 1940s, old purses, estate boxes, forgotten envelopes. Learn to respect gray spots and aged tone, because those are the uniforms of authenticity. Keep any discovery safe, seek expert eyes, and never underestimate a coin simply because it looks old. The next great American find could be waiting where you least expect it. The conclusion of this 1947 nickels journey is a message to the heart. Treasure does not always shine like a mirror. Sometimes it wears the gentle gray coat of decades and waits patiently for the right person to recognize it. This coin proves that real fortune can sleep inside humble metal, and that the past still rewards those who believe. My friends, Rarest Coin Secrets brings you freshly updates every day, opening new chapters of hidden wealth and amazing discoveries. Stay connected, stay excited, and remember, America is still full of coins that can turn ordinary moments into legendary treasure.